Welcome to Best Product Info. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video, we are going to introduce the 3 best cordless drills in 2021. We've included a compact, lightweight drill suitable for use in confined spaces or for working overhead. We also rounded up numerous drills with variable speed control, easy chuck adjustment, plenty of power, and a low budget. And as they're all cordless, you can get your work done anytime, anywhere. You can check out the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. The Dual 20V Max Cordless Compact Drill Driver. The Dual 20V Max Cordless Compact Drill Driver is an excellent, long-lasting equipment for most drilling and driving tasks around the house. This drill can cut through wood, concrete, even sheet metal with the appropriate bit. It may be configured to operate in 2 distinct speed ranges, with rates ranging from 0 to 450 revolutions per minute and up to 1,500 RPM. The drill's 16 clutch settings let you to manage how much power you use, reducing the risk of damaging surfaces or components. The drill also comes with 2 20-volt battery packs, a charger, and a convenient carrying and storage bag. Because it is both strong and lightweight, this dual drill stands out. It's not only good for household usage, but it's also good for business. Check out the link description below for more details. Number 2. The Black+Decker LDX 120C Cordless Drill. The Black+Decker LDX 120C Cordless Drill is similarly powered compared to higher-end options but costs half the price. Most cordless drills that cost less than this one are of such poor quality that you will either end up with a tool that isn't up to the job or one that breaks easily. Or, even worse, it will be both weak and unreliable. While the Black+Decker LDX 120C cordless drill we propose is affordable, it isn't a low-quality instrument. The 11-position clutch on this drill driver gives you plenty of torque control for most jobs. Although its maximum RPM speed of 650 is far lower than that of many other tools, it is sufficient for most tasks. When the trigger is depressed, a built-in LED light illuminates your workstation, and the drill's lightweight 3.25-pound design reduces strain and weariness, even if your workspace is overhead. While it may not be the best tool for a professional framer who has to sink thousands of screws, it is ideal for a discriminating but cost-conscious amateur carpenter, hobbyist, or homeowner. Check out the link description below for more details.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black+Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Number 3. The Bosch PS31-2A 12-volt drill driver. The Bosch PS31-2A 12-volt drill driver is weighing only 2 pounds and 14 pence. This drill can be used for hours on end, whether you're working above on the rafters or bending beneath the kitchen sink. And your arms and hands will never weary. You will be able to manipulate the drill around as needed owing to its small size, which is ideal for tight areas such as beneath the sink or in a crawl space. Of course, with such a compact size comes a reduction in power. The highest RPM rating of this drill is 1,300, which is lower than most drills, and the maximum torque output of 265 inch-pounds is also lower. Fortunately, Most daily repairs and tasks do not need any additional speed or power. This drill excels in drilling through wood, drywall, thin sheet metal, and a variety of composite materials. When it comes to sinking screws, it's also up to the task. The 20 clutch settings on the Bosch help you avoid harming your hardware, and the bright light illuminates your work environment. In addition, a power gauge on the tool's side shows how much battery life is remaining. Check out the link description below for more details.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8" 3-jaw chuck. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. 20+ 1-clutch settings. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.
Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.